Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to edit contacts in your address book in Microsoft Outlook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the people icon down the bottom left, with the two little people. Go ahead and left click on that. You should have a list of your contacts over here on the right, and you can go up in the search people field up at the top right if you need to search through the list of contacts. And then once you've located the contact you want to edit or modify in this list, you'll select the three-dotted icon next to their profile here. Just left click on it, and then select Edit Outlook Contact. And now at this point, you go ahead and edit or modify that contact. And if you want to delete that contact, you could select the delete button up here, and that would remove that contact from your list. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.